I'm not actually saying na I'm fully confident. They might see something wrong. Lahat naman po ng bansa sa buong mundo talaga naman merong human rights violations. No? Pero bilang chairman ng Committee on Human Rights, I think it is my own personal mandate na sige, payagan na natin ang ICC para makita po nila talaga ang real score dito sa Pilipinas. No? Ako, personally, I support the former president sa lahat ng kanyang, halos lahat ng kanyang mga ginawa nung siya presidente ng Pilipinas. But the thing is this, pagkamisan kasi itong ICC na ito, kung sino-sino lang pinapaniwalaan So it's better for them to come and see for themselves. No? Sapagkat naniniwala ako that this resolution actually is upholding the rule of law. Our commitment to the rule of law is a fundamental pillar of our democracy. So sa akin, by cooperating with the ICC, even if after our withdrawal from the Rome Statute, we demonstrate that no one is above the law. Palagay ko, nagiging open na rin ang kaisipan ng ilang mga congressman natin. Naniniwala ako that if they will know the real score on this thing, at palagay ko, mas matindi ang tinatawag nating human rights concern dito sa ICC. Meron ba talagang human rights violation dito? Oo. Naniniwala din po ako naman sa kasabihan na even those who are investigating this, even our state actors deserve human rights. Ibig sabihin, naniniwala naman tayo that everyone is considered innocent until proven guilty. So ibig sabihin, we are not only protecting the people who are victims, but we're also protecting those people who are being accused of doing the human rights violations. You see, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Kaya ginawa namin resolution ito. Now, kung ang pananaw ko ito ba kakampihan ng majority, hindi ko pa alam yan sapagkat kanina sinuspend namin ng committee hearing sapagkat nais nila na mag-imbita kami ng mga resource speakers like from the Department of Justice, from the Commission on Human Rights, ng Philippine National Police. So makita po namin yung kanilang pananaw tungkol dito.